Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And I just wanted to kind of stop by for a minute and show you what I'm working on. So I'm working on this little tote. I don't know if you can see, there you go. That's the outside, right? It's really cute. But I was trying to finish it today and the lining was too short. It was too short. It wasn't gonna actually fit the whole thing in here. So I'm starting over, and one of the things I hate, I don't hate it, but it just takes a lot, is doing the lining, because I want it to be sturdy, but I want it to be pliable. So hopefully this time I'll make it in the right size. Plus I need to add the zipper pocket in it. That I don't like it very much. So I managed to save the zipper. But stay tuned for that one, because it's really cute. I mean, it's a small bag. I think it's like it's 9 by 4.5. So I think it's gonna be really cute. This was actually printed on one of those Cricut machines by a friend of mine. So when I finish the whole bag, I will post a video and post her handle from Instagram and all that good stuff. Never mind my messy room in here. But in the meantime, I also changed the strap to this bag that I made several years ago. It's a little holder bag in a croc print, line and suede. So, but anyway, I made a strap on it, but it was just too long, and the bag was hanging like down here almost. So I just kind of made a shorter strap, and I think it works better. Don't you think? It's cute, no? The bag is available. Send me a message if you're interested. It's actually black croc embossed leather or print, and the leather was made in Italy, so it's really it feels really nice. It's not stiff. It's not stiff. It's actually pretty soft, you know. And you can, you know, carry this to work or out in the town or shopping, you know, whatever. So, yeah, and you know, there's this strap I had to like redo. But I really like the other one because it had a special detail in it. But I'm gonna keep that strap and use it on something else. Anyway, I don't see it anywhere near. So, but anyway, it's really cute. It's the same, actually the same print, obviously, same hardware. But it had a really cool detail in it. Here are the gussets or the side panels for the bag that I'm working on right now. That's the inside. It's really, it's not suede, it's microfiber suede, faux suede. And this is the top of the bag. It's gonna be the top. So like that. It's gonna be cute, right? And even this is also, oops, sorry. This is also the suede on the inside of the zipper. So when you open it, right, like this, you can be able to get into your bag. So anyway, stay tuned for that, like I said. And until then, I just thought I'd gonna update you on something here. And and I'll be posting some little shorts and videos on some of my watercolor ink landscapes. I believe this is the last one I posted several weeks ago. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Bye.